There's more power than before in our world-class Commodore. Have you seen the way that Holden's looking now?
Look at Holden's unbeatable four-cylinder range. Barina, Australia's most economical five-door wonder. Astra, the clever hatch that's packed with features. Chimera, the most economical car in its class. And Commodore, Australia's best-performing family car. The stunning European design Piazza. And Calais, Australia's first luxury turbo.